Hello. Excuse me. I'm out here in the sunlight baking some tubes. Decided to pull this thing off the shelf, run some voltage through it. This is actually a Craftsman receiver. It's a console pull. It's not very big. But it's got tubes in it. Just thought you guys might want a quick look at some tube loveliness in the sunlight. What I like about this is they've actually marked all the tubes in here, which isn't too unusual, but it sure makes it easy to see what's where. Kind of went over these. This is a push-pull output. It's got two 12AX7s for the preamp. Has a phonomagnetic and ceramic cartridge input. I'm running a JVC digital tuner through this because the radio portion does work, but only works on the lower end of the scale, which I can't. I'm going to have to do something about that, I guess. Just haven't felt like doing it today. I just wanted to pull something out with a minimum of trouble. It's got the power transformer, it's got the output transformer, quite sizable. This has been running about 2 hours now, and there's barely any heat coming off of either one of these transformers. The filter caps aren't getting warm at all, and it's been sitting out in the sun. It's pretty impressive. It's got 2 AM-IFs, 3 FM-IFs, and a ratio detector, which is cool. That's kind of unusual. At least I'm not used to that. It's usually a diode in a solid state. And I'm running some gospel music through it because the last 3 videos I made got copyright warnings. And I don't know if any of you that have ever done videos, ever looked at the details on the copyright warnings? It's very strange. It makes it sound like you've done something bad, but when you look at the details, it usually only keeps you from getting exposure in countries like Africa or Russia. It's a non-threatening warning. It's just like you got a copyright infringement. Tells you who it was, whatever. So you should check that if you get one of those. I've gotten 3 in the last 3 videos for like 5 seconds of something, which is really stupid, but that's just the way it works. This is kind of a fully featured little unit, isn't it? Since you can run records to it, it's got AM/FM radio, it's mono, and I've got this is my digital tuner that I use sometimes just to get something to play. I was thinking about hooking a turntable up to this. I've got a mono turntable out in the house. Anyway. There's no humming, buzzing, clicking, snapping. So this is in good health. I might actually spend some time cleaning up the chassis on this. The whole reason for me showing this to you is it's a pretty day. I wanted to listen to some music on the outside on the porch, and I dragged this out of the shop. It's been sitting on the shelf for about 8 months. I pull it out once in a while and use it, but I call it tube baking. No repair video here. What can I tell you? It is what it is. Oh well. Okay, that's pretty much all I got. We are jamming on that stuff. Alright, well, hope y'all are doing well, and next time I put something up, it might be actually a repair video. Got a GE multi-band radio that I bought that absolutely will not pick up anything, although it does make a noise when you change bands, so the amplifier's part's working anyway, but it's got a digital frequency tuner on it, as well as an analog, and the digital frequency tuner's just all scrambled, so I think if I unplug that, I may be able to get it to run on the analog tuner part, but I haven't taken it apart yet. I'm just working on it. So, alright, well, I hope you guys are doing alright. And there's a speaker running out too. This is all thrift store. I bought that at thrift store. Bought this at a thrift store. I did not get this at a thrift store. Actually bought this off of eBay about 5 or 6 years ago for a really good price. Alright, well, I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.